Hi friends, Dr. Nancy Trimbley here with Dr. Caleb Macon, Trimbley Chiropractic. I got an adjustment this morning by Dr. Caleb. I am not often blown away by adjustments, but I was blown away. Awesome adjustment. So if you have not been in to get an adjustment by Dr. Caleb, do it. He's going to get busier and busier as time goes on. Get your appointment in. And if you missed our first car show yesterday, what a fun event. Brooklyn was here. She was meeting and greeting. We had cars lined up on the lawn. We had free DRX decompression samples, 10 minutes. So people loved it. We had our spot massage as usual. Dr. Caleb did adjustments all day. I talked to new people, and we are going to do more events like that. So I'm going to ask Dr. Caleb a couple of questions. How do you feel like the patients are fitting in with your adjustment style?
From what I've seen and the feedback that I've personally gotten, what has the staff has told me, everybody seems to be fitting in with my adjustments. I always tell people that see me for the first time that I use very, very similar techniques to Dr. Nancy, so the adjustments are going to feel similar. So what you've been used to all these years with her, you're going to get the same thing with me. So if there's any fear of that, you shouldn't be worried about it because I use the same techniques as her. So
Absolutely. And I have been interviewing patients as they leave on the sly, and I say, on a scale of 0 to 10, how was your experience today? And I have to tell you, it's been 100% tens for Dr. Caleb. So if you've not been here for an adjustment in a while, come on in, experience it. We're having a great time here. We're doing a lot of good work, and we can help you with just your day-to-day stuff, just the simple stuff. We can make everything better. So be well. Bye for now.